Hello students. Welcome to our class. This lesson we will learn the high voltage interlock fault diagnosis and troubleshooting related content. 1. Work preparation. In electric vehicles, high voltage interlock systems play a crucial role in ensuring vehicle safety by detecting the integrity of high voltage circuits. Therefore, once the high voltage interlock fails, measures must be taken in time to deal with it to avoid potentially dangerous situations. Let's learn how to troubleshoot high voltage interlock faults. We will operate from the 5 steps of operation preparation before the overhaul: operation safety setting, basic inspection and preliminary judgment, measurement and diagnosis, and recovery of vehicles and stations. The tools and equipment used include Geely EV450 vehicle, a set of automotive maintenance combination tools, a set of automotive plastic warping board, automotive multi-purpose junction box, multimeter, automotive diagnostic instrument, insulating gloves, and so on. 2. Work safety settings. 1. Pull the isolation bar during vehicle maintenance. Divide the maintenance work area and remind non-staff to avoid entering. 2. Place high-voltage safety warning signs. Remind people to pay attention to the danger of high-voltage electricity to prevent the occurrence of accidental electric shock accidents. 3. Check the fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher is functioning properly. 4. Install the wheel stop. Three. Basic examination and preliminary judgment. 1. Install for sets in the car. It generally includes seat covers, steering wheel covers, gearshift rod covers, footpad paper, and so on, which are used to protect the internal parts of the vehicle from wear and pollution. Two. Verify the problem phenomenon. Operate the one-button start process. Find instrument system failure phenomenon. Record the vehicle fault phenomenon. Three. Connect the car fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the car ignition switch in the off state. Connect the receiver of the diagnosis instrument to the car. Open the diagnostic host. Enter the diagnostic software. Clear the historical fault code. Read and record the fault code information. And read the relevant data stream. The read result is fault code P1C4096, high voltage interlock fault and abnormal data flow. 4. Preliminary analysis. 1. High voltage interlock line break or poor connector contact failure due to the working environment and maintenance of the car. Plug-in insertion and removal wear and fretting wear caused by high voltage interlock failure is closely related to VCU and related high voltage interlock line failure. The interlock signal is not sent or the reception fails. 4. Measurement diagnosis. 1. Install the 3-piece set outside the car. Pull the engine room lock switch and open the front engine room. Lay fender cloth and front grille cloth. Avoid scratches on car paint when carrying out vehicle maintenance. Two. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. 1. Calibrate the multimeter. Insert the red marker and black marker, respectively, into the corresponding jacks. Set the multimeter to the resistance gear. Connect the red marker to the black marker, and the multimeter displays 0, indicating that the multimeter works properly. To switch the multimeter to the voltage level, connect the red pan and the black pan to the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively, and measure the battery voltage to 12.7 volts. The voltage value is within a reasonable range, normal. 3. Check the high voltage interlock related connector. 1. Check the maintenance manual and circuit atlas. Need to check VCU, car charger, PTC heater, air conditioning compressor, motor controller connector. 2. Wear insulation gloves. Remove and insert the high voltage components one by one to check whether they are loose. The BV11 connector is in poor contact. Four. Replace the BV11 connector. Install the new connector of the same model. Install the negative electrode of the battery. Press the start and switch key, and the vehicle is started and the indicator is on. The fault discovery function has been removed because the BV11 connector is damaged. 5. Restore vehicle and station. 1. Read the fault code information of the car fault diagnosis instrument and read high voltage interlock related data streams. The reading result is still no fault code and the data flow is normal. Remove the receiver of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the main engine of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. And put it back in its place. Q. Recycling car outside 3-piece set. Close the front hatch cover. 3. Recovery of forcets in the car. 4. Recover the wheel stop. 5. Recover high voltage safety warning signs. Recover quarantine fence. Fire extinguisher. At this point, the high voltage interlock maintenance measurement operation is completed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you in your daily work.